അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാഹി വബറകാതുഹു. ബിസ്മില്ലാ വൽഹംദുലില്ലാ വസ്സലാത്തു വസ്സലാമു അലാ അഷ്റഫുൽ മഖ്ലൂഖീൻ വഅലാ ആലിഹി വസഹ്ബിഹി അജ്മഈൻ. അമ്മാ ബഅദ്. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friends, I am Muhammad Rayhan K. Today I would like to speak about my religion, Islam. Islam is a peaceful and beautiful religion. Muslims believe in one God, the Almighty Allah. Allah is very kind and love all His creation. Our holy book is Quran. It tells us to love our parents, respect our teachers, and care for our friends. We pray 5 times in a day. It makes our head clean. We greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. Spread peace and love. Islam teaches us to share with poor, help the needy, and never hurt anyone. I am proud to be a Muslim. Now I would like to conclude my words. Wardawan alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next program English.